So my name is Dr. Aila Malakut. I am a pediatrician from Life Care Hospital, Jijiga. So we are giving comprehensive pediatric care from birth to 15 years. So the service we are delivering currently are the inpatient care, outpatient clinic, emergency service, and neonatal cares. And in the near future, we will start vaccination service, immunization service, according to the national guideline and schedule. And other services currently we are delivering counseling, advice about nutrition, general health of children for parents. We are here to serve you. So please bring your children. We are open here 24 hours per 7 days a week. We are open to deliver maximum better care for your children. Thank you.